apparently पहले तो मुझे यही था कि जितना दुनिया ने देखा देख लिया काफी है. So I had no intentions to show them any other side of my personality, honestly. But since Khatro is such a big show that it holds such a great audience and importance as well. And जिस शो को हम बचपन में ऐसे देखते आ रहे थे टीवी पे, आई थिंक द लास्ट खतरो आई हैव सीन इज व्हेन अक्षय कुमार was hosting it, yeah, years ago. So उसके बाद I didn't watch it, but we knew that is something very different and it actually holds the audience to the television, and हमारा भी इतना interest रहता था बचपन में कि खतरों के खिलाड़ी देखना है. But then when I came out of Big Boss, there was a lot going on in my life. I was in a transition. I had to cope up with a lot of things. So that time I was not giving a thought to it. I was like, no, I don't want to do any other reality show. Cut to when just I came out of a big reality show. So, but as eventually I got to know about this season, like how this season is different and what's going to happen. Like they're going to bring the ex-contestants back, and this is going to be altogether a different season. See, in the wider category, we know that it's going to be stunts like with electricity, electric current, water, height, and etc. Everything. But you don't know what they're going to do with all these things. How they're going to make you shake to your spine. How they're going to make you push yourself to limits. You never know. And even right now, when I feel like that, oh my God, I have to go inside the water. Like I have to be head down in the water. I have to be underwater, or I have to be inside in a very narrow space, or I have to be among reptiles. I have to touch snakes. I have to be surrounded with insects and all. So even thinking about that only gives me kind of a chills, because kind of these fears every human being carries. So it's part of like emotion. Fear is a kind of an emotion. You cannot deny it. Every human has, every person has. So do I. So I have certain kind of fears, but I think exploring yourself, your personality in such kind of a reality show is once in a lifetime experience. So then is when I thought that I must go ahead for this.
Right. As you mentioned that Big Boss ke baad you were in the transition phase and all of that. A lot of people, whenever I've interviewed them after Big Boss, right, और देखने में जितना हमें disturbing लगता है कभी-कभी during fights and all, I'm sure आप लोग उसका 10 times ज़्यादा गुजरते हो उस पूरे
Absolutely.
And that is just one of a case, but the judgment that comes across after you're out of the house, वो शायद आप भूल भी जाओगे और आपके बीच में सब normal हो जाएगा. People don't forget, they don't forgive.
Right.
So when you're out of the show, right, Big Boss से लेके खतरों के बीच का जो दौर था, we saw you working, of course. But I wanted to know that what was going on in your mind and the kind of stress and the kind of judgments. There was a lot of judgment on social media regarding you, right? And people still, even after so many months after Big Boss, they stand by those. Few people stand by those judgments. जब हम interview करते हैं contestants का, तो they tell us how difficult it had been that they had to seek therapies as well. What was your case? How did you cope up with it, and what is your state of mind now?
So my case was completely different than others, because when you talk about things like hatred, trolls, judgment and all, I use these things as fuel for my fire. Because when I was not even a big face, when I was not there in Big Boss in Kashmir, I have already seen all these. I have seen this film before. I have seen all these things before: the trolling, character assassination, life threats, death threats, and whatnot. So somewhere my mind was already trained for this whole thing. When I tell my friends, my family, sometimes we sit, so I tell them, I feel like God first he prepared me for this stage, this position where I am today, because he knew that it won't be easy for me to hold this position where today I am. That's why everything that happened with me, it happened for a reason. When I was in Kashmir, the backlash, everything, the troll and everything, that was my kind of training. God is like, I'm going to put you at a place where you will require a lot of strength. And for that matter, I'm going to put you through a very uncomfortable situation where you will gain it all. And then I'm going to give you something very big. So this is, I create my kind of such stories. And then I feel like, oh God, what a great planner you are.
Yeah, absolutely. When you talk about खतरों के खिलाड़ी, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला कि हमारी लाइफ में ये खतरा है, मतलब we fear this particular thing, all of that. What is that particular thing that Farhana fears?
So some of my discovered fears are underwater, height, and some undiscovered and doubtful fears are which I don't know how I'm gonna react is when I'll be put inside, insects, and I have to deal with animals. I'll be given the current, electric current. I'm sure it's going to be very, very much difficult. But I'm not thinking about it because I'm sure there are some fears which I know I have these kind of phobias. There are some phobias which I'll get to discover about myself during the show only. And then what?
Right.
So I have kept my mind completely on a very open end that whatever happens simultaneously, I'll deal with it accordingly.
Right. When you talk about Big Boss, उसके लिए मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ अलग लगता है, बट जब आप खतरों के खिलाड़ी के बारे में बात करते हैं, उसके लिए मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ के साथ फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ दोनों इन मतलब अनलाइक बिग बॉस इज नॉट वेरी ड्रामा सेंट्रिक शो. इट इज आप जो जिस तरीके से फियर्सली करोगे उसके हिसाब से रिजल्ट होगा. So what kind of mental strength have you basically built around you right now, and how?
So I feel the traits, when we talk about psychological strength, the traits I have, I feel like those are enough to, conquer any such challenge, stunt, or even the show. I don't feel like I need to have any new trait or I need to develop any new trait so that I can do good in this show. Because more of, I feel like this is a psychological challenge more than physical challenge. Because if your mind is not calm and mind is not sorted in anything, your physical strength is of no use. So it's all here. When we say, even in real life, we always say it's here. When we have even some of the physical illness or physical, incapability or anything, we feel like we always say, when the doctors say that this is all psychological, this is here. So same goes when we are scared, when we are anxious. If say like your mind is not able to deal with anything calmly and it's anxious, your body will not be able to do anything because your mind is not, generating the hormones that your body needs to, so that it will sufficiently react with the situation. So it's all psychological before it's physical.
Right, and you consider yourself absolutely mentally fit.
Absolutely, 100%. I think if you ask me like just a month after I came out of Big Boss, so I would have said no because a lot was going on. But as of now, I think now since my things are sorted due to the reason that my same things are sorted, I'm here, I'm working now, I have a house in Mumbai. So I think it's all pretty sorted. Now I can completely shift my focus to something else where I am going to win the show.
Right. Now that you've entered the entertainment space and you've become really popular, right? So what happens is people tend to do a lot many fictional Bollywood show movies ho, मान लो कोई skits हो या micro dramas हो या television soaps हो. So because they feel that gives a lot more instant fame comparatively to other reality shows. Also, when they talk about reality shows, it's about showing your real self, which a lot many actors are very, very hesitant about. They don't want to jump into where मैं अपना self दिखाऊं. You are probably one of the very few people who are back-to-back reality shows करे, despite the fact that you're famous now. Right? Big Boss के time पे you were famous but at a certain region. Now you're internationally famous as well. So do you not think that this is a kind of a risk? क्योंकि also एक हो जाता है कि Big Boss में तो हमने आपको real self देख लिया. तो खतरों में ऐसा अलग apart from stunts.
Oh, not at all. You know what? This is the best part about my journey, that people have liked me for who I am. They have not liked me for some character I played in Big Boss. Why would I be worried? I'm not playing any character. This is the easiest. This is a cakewalk for me. Then what I have to just be myself.
Yeah.
Like easy. Nothing else. I don't have to play any character. If I would have been playing a character in Big Boss, then it would have been a different scenario for me, a very difficult scenario. कि वो तो मैंने play किया था character. अभी इतना time हो गया, मुझे वो continue करना है. So that way it would have been a risk. But since people actually liked me for who I am, so it's that way a very cakewalk for me.
Right. Also, I wanted to know that a lot of your Big Boss contemporaries have ventured into fictional, and they're not basically, if you know who I'm talking about, they are not really wanting to get out of Big Boss space at all. If you see their videos and all that, it's full of you, it's full of other contestants. आप ऐसे time पे क्या कहना चाहेंगे ऐसे लोगों को?
I have no time to speak anything about all these things. I don't even watch any of this thing. I'm pretty busy into my things. A lot of good things are on my plate. A lot of better things on incoming. So I don't have time for all these things, honestly.
Right. Also, Khatro ke last question. Khatro Ke Khiladi ka obviously we'll see you performing a lot many stunts and overcoming fears. I wanted to know that one khatra that you've taken in real life.
I have taken a lot of khatras in my real life.
Like that has changed your life for good, bad, I don't know, but it just changed.
The big khatra is that I completely cut myself off from my like close blood relatives, and to a limit where I told them you can publicly announce she doesn't belong to us. That was the biggest risk I took, because then somewhere in your blood relation, if you're at your lowest, you have certain expectations from someone who belongs to your blood, that maybe this person will someday come up and help me. Maybe he will only say few words which will just make me feel good, will motivate me. But then at that point when you have actually no one around, it's just you and your mother, and you are cutting off everyone, and you're completely clearly publicly telling them, you don't belong to me, I don't belong to you. Then is when you're actually getting yourself in solitude, completely getting yourself alone. But rather you choose like, okay, I'll be alone, but I won't give up on my dreams, I won't give up on whatever I'm going to do. That was the biggest risk I ever took.
Yeah, sorry Harsha, बस इसी सवाल से एकदम I felt like asking, for a girl it is extremely difficult. We all, or of the same gender, we know how difficult is it to make your place anywhere in this world, right?
Absolutely.
Especially when you come to a place like Mumbai, where लोग तात मतलब भरे पड़े honestly, और इस industry में तो और भी भरे पड़े. So to make your identity, Kavya identity, especially with no backing at all, especially also with the mother who's very naive and very soft, she doesn't know this world.
Absolutely.
How difficult or easy? How difficult has this journey been for you? And when you look at yourself in the mirror today, what do you say? How आप कैसे अपने आप को mirror में देखते हो? Do you feel like that sense of pride and?
Yeah, absolutely. Every time I look at myself in the mirror, or I just get to see anything that belongs to my Bigg Boss journey, or I see the frames that are in my home that my fans have gifted me, I get that complete flashback and I see how my life has changed completely. But when, as you said, when it comes to a girl, everything is very difficult and completely different. In the matter of males, there is a bit, since like I belong to Kashmir, so I can tell you completely a different experience. So if you're a girl, you still, if you're a man, you still have a bit of acceptance in the society. People will be like, हाँ ठीक है, आदमी करेगा. But when it comes to girl, doesn't matter she's from high class, low class, lower middle class, she belongs to royalties, no matter what, she has to face challenge. And unfortunately, it starts from your family only. And even at a position where today I am, you never know, you continue to struggle there as well. Because as you said, our parents doesn't belong to this culture, this world. They don't, you have to make them understand certain things, maybe certain they are not okay with, certain things they feel like otherwise. So that's the only kind of struggle you will have to deal with at this position.
Inner struggle more than external.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's the worst, because even you can ignore the external whatever, the people who don't belong to you, you can ignore them completely. But how will you ignore the people you live with, who are your parents, siblings, or anyone? Unwillingly or willingly, you will have to face them. You have to give the justification. You have to give the answers. That's the worst.
And now that you're famous, do these people again try getting back to you or your mom? The people who
I'm completely out of their reach now. Since a lot of people are there who are trying, but now I'm out of their reach.
आपके राज्य की खबरें, आपके शहर की खबरें सबसे पहले जानने के लिए देखते रहें अमर उजाला। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें और पाएं हर अपडेट।